Hi, this is Luke from Steve White Motors, and today what we're going to do is we're going to replace the emergency brake pedal, and we'll show you how to modify it. We've already taken the factory little pedal off. As you can see, it's got a notch in it. We're going to kind of duplicate the same scenario. Typically, this is the little pedal. On the manual transmission vehicles, typically this will go right over the top of the little pedestal that's there, and very little modification, if any, is required. However, on the automatics, we need to modify them. Unfortunately, there is nothing else that will fit. This is the only pedal that you can get if you want to put an emergency brake pedal, bright pedal, to match the rest of your pedals. The issue we have with the automatics is that the pedal, the arm is folded over, and there's no way to hook it on the right side of it, and it's flush on the top. So in order to make this work, what we do is we make sure we line it up, and what we do is we cut a corner out of it, basically like this. And we notch it. And basically what we've done is we've taken the corner out of it. So now what we do is we roll it over the top and align it, make sure that it fits. We've got a good fit. On this one I need to cut a little bit more off to make it fit better. And again, we're doing the same thing, fitting it over the top. We've got a pretty good fit. And then what we normally do is you can use any kind of two-part epoxy is best. You could use some regular glue. However, we're using a 10-second epoxy, which is really, really quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze some into the cavity. We're going to realign it, fold it over. We're going to hold it for about 10 seconds. Give or take. Now we have an emergency brake pedal that's ready to use. That simple. Thank you.